Hey guys, today I have a Kenmore HE washer and I've got it filled up. Pretty heavy towel load here, and it's filling up, running water through its little, I'm not going to open it, I don't want to spray water, but it runs water through here, which is where you can put your soap, fabric softener, all that good stuff right down in there. Now typically you would not be able to open this, so you can see the lid lock is on, but I've got a little bypass mechanism. It's just, I ordered an extra one of these. You can get these on Amazon and pop them right there. That way you can kind of see what's going on. Obviously you wouldn't do that at home, but for testing purposes, I'm able to do that. So I can show you what's going on as we move along here. I always do a video on the last load that I run through, which on this one is the 4th load. And that way you can see, as if you're standing here yourself checking it out, that everything works perfect. We've got this set to deep wash. We're doing cold water, we've been normal on the soil level, and then high on the spin speed. So you're going to get to see that obviously it pulls water in like it's supposed to, that it agitates like it's supposed to, and then it will drain the water out and have a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. So you get to see all of that. And if we decide to pair it up with the dryer, we'll show that off last. Otherwise, we'll end with this thing on its final spin cycle. So I'll go ahead and let it fill up and we'll come back. All right, moving into the wash cycle. It has filled all the way up with water. It's got a very strong agitation with fins on the bottom plate, and then it's got those vortexing fins on the top plate there, or the top arm I should say, which vortex those close down along those fins, back out along the side, and they kind of just keep going in that cyclone motion. So as you can see there, super strong agitation. Those clothes are getting nice and clean. So I'll let it move through the wash cycle and we will come back for the rinse cycle. All right, we're moving out of the wash cycle into the rinse cycle. It's draining the water out right now. You can hear it running that drain nice and fast. From here, it'll fill up with fresh, clean water for the rinse cycle. It'll agitate for a while, then it'll drain out once again. Then we'll be on to the final spin cycle, which is what I'll come back for next. Okay, we moved out of the rinse cycle into the final spin cycle. It's been draining that water out. Now it's getting started on the spinning as it gets up to speed here. The more water it extracts from the clothes as it spins, the faster it'll go. And it will actually spin 2-3 times to max extract the water out of those clothes. See, it gets spinning super fast here. And just once again to mention, the lid lock is on. At home, you wouldn't be able to lift this up. It would be locked down. But that way, just wanted you to be able to see. It's nice, fast, smooth, sounds great. Super important that you want to get a level. Make sure your machine's level, front to back, side to side. And there it is. We'll let this go ahead and finish up. And we have decided to go ahead and put a electric dryer with this, so we'll go ahead and show that off as soon as these are done spinning out. Okay, now we've got the washer cleaned out. Clothes are going in the dryer. You see it's nice smooth operation. Sounds great. I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. My temperature gun here, right in between those 2 red dots, it takes the surface temperature measurement. So it's about 79 degrees on top of the dryer. We shine it on the floor, it's about 72, 73 degrees. Go ahead and open this up, show you right inside the heating element tube. It's very hot inside of that tube right there, but that in turn heats the inside of your dryer up anywhere from about 95 up to 195, just depends on how long it's been running and what you have the heat setting at. So we'll just push that back up in there. And we just push right here for start. So this is your start button. You've got temperature control, so you can actually go low, medium, or high. Then here you have time dry. You have an air fluff setting. Then you have an automatic dry. So you could just kind of set it here and let it go. Same with the time dry. And then for your super delicate items, you've got that air fluff right there. Here's your lint trap. You want to change that out before every load. And that's pretty much it. I'll go ahead and get these listed up for sale. If y'all have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, you guys have a great day.